If you've ever felt like the text notes or sidebar in Evernote are just a little too small to read comfortably, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to zoom in on Evernote, whether you're using Windows, Linux or Mac. This is a super simple trick, but it can make a huge difference when you want to work faster, reduce eye strain, and make the entire app easier to use. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Evernote tips and software how-to guides. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that this zoom method changes the size of the entire Evernote interface. That means your notes, sidebar, menus, and text will all appear larger on screen. So if you want Evernote to feel more comfortable and easier to read, this is the quickest way to do it. If you're on Windows or Linux, click into Evernote so the app is active, then press Ctrl and the plus key. In many cases, that will be Ctrl and plus. On some keyboards, the plus symbol is shared with the equals key. So if pressing Ctrl and plus doesn't work, try Ctrl and equals instead. Each time you use that shortcut, Evernote should zoom in a little more. If you accidentally make the interface too large, you can zoom back out by pressing Ctrl and minus. That gives you a quick way to fine-tune the size until it feels just right. Now, if you're using a Mac, the process is very similar. Click into Evernote, then press Command and plus to zoom in. Just like on Windows, some Mac keyboards may use Command and equals as the zoom in shortcut, so if the plus key doesn't respond, try that version too. And if you want to zoom out, simply press Command and minus. This is a really useful shortcut if you're working on a smaller screen, a laptop, or if you just want everything in Evernote to be a little more readable. Instead of squinting at tiny text or constantly leaning in, you can quickly adjust the view in seconds. One thing to keep in mind is that this zoom affects the whole application, not just a single note. So if you're looking for a way to zoom in on only one section of a note, that may depend on the content inside the note itself. But for most users, this built-in app zoom is the easiest and fastest solution. So, let's do a quick recap. On Windows or Linux, use Ctrl and plus to zoom in, and Ctrl and minus to zoom out. On Mac, use Command and plus to zoom in, and Command and minus to zoom out. If the plus shortcut doesn't work, try the equals key version instead. That's all you need to know to make Evernote bigger and easier to read. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Evernote tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.